Texas black bean soup. Ingredients: 2 cans, 15 ounces each, black beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can, 14½ ounces, stewed tomatoes or Mexican stewed tomatoes, cut up. 1 can, 14½ ounces, diced tomatoes or diced tomatoes with mild green chilies. 1 can, 14½ ounces, chicken broth. 1 can, 11 ounces, Mexicorn, drained. 2 cans, 4 ounces each, chopped green chilies. 4 green onions, thinly sliced. 2 to 3 tablespoons chili powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. ½ teaspoon dried minced garlic. Directions: in a 3-quart slow cooker, combine all ingredients. Cover and cook on high for 4–6 hours or until heated through.